And the race is on. Best strike from the outside. Rising up is Devil in Disguise. Mokai in the middle. Apple Splash down on the inside is Celestial. It's now Devil in Disguise. Apple Splash. And rushing up is Best Strike down on the inside. Celestial. Apple Splash racing import by the rally is Furiously Eager. Alongside Mokai. Number 1 Sugar Daddy Strike Force. Passing the half-mile post, Best Strike, Furiously Eager. Down on the inside, Devil in Disguise, racing in third by Sam Tulang Celestial, Apple Splash, Mokai. Rounding the far turn, Best Strike by Hapaland, Furiously Eager. Devil in Disguise, racing from the outside, Mokai is racing in fourth by Sam Tulang's Apple Splash. Last 500 meters, Best Strike, Devil in Disguise from the outside, Furiously Eager. Down on the inside, Mocha Apple Splash as they swing for home. Devil in Disguise now the leader. Furiously Eager down on the inside, Best Strike, Mocha Apple Splash, and down the stretch and nearing the finish line, Devil in Disguise by a length and a half, and nearing the finish line, number 4, Devil in Disguise, Mokai is on the outside, and finally Devil in Disguise, Mokai, Apple Splash close with Best Strike, Furiously Eager, Sugar Daddy, Celestial, and Strike